everything. So the road here, coming here is hard, but it's worth it. The place is very good. So we came here because of my friend. He saw it on Instagram and he said it's a nice place, and really it's a very nice place. You should come here.